I bet you didn't know that some gardens thrive, lush and vibrant, without a single drop of pesticide. What's their secret? Every gardener knows the sting of disappointment, stepping outside to find your cabbages riddled with holes and bean shoots nibbled to stumps. It feels like a battle you're losing, despite all your care. We're taught to see pests as enemies, reaching for sprays and pellets. But what if the real problem is how we think about our gardens? True gardening isn't about fighting nature. It's about understanding it. A garden is a living ecosystem, not a sterile production line. When balanced, this community of plants, insects, and soil life largely cares for itself. Pests aren't invaders, they're signals that something's out of balance. Our role is to nurture that balance, not wage war. This approach takes patience and observation, but it's deeply rewarding. By moving away from chemicals, we create gardens that are healthier for us and for wildlife. Imagine a space buzzing with bees, thriving naturally. The secret is to watch, learn, and work with nature. All great gardening starts with the soil. Healthy, living soil is the foundation for resilient, pest-resistant plants. Plants in poor soil are like people with weak immune systems, easy targets for pests. Strong plants grown in rich soil can defend themselves. The key to this? Compost. Homemade compost transforms kitchen scraps and garden waste into nutrient-rich black gold. Adding compost brings beneficial microbes and improves soil structure. Regularly mulching with compost builds deep, moisture-holding, fertile soil over time. No need to dig, just spread it and let worms do the work. Consistency is crucial. A yearly layer transforms your garden. This patient approach builds resilience from the ground up. Healthy soil means healthier plants, fewer pests, and less intervention. Focus on the soil, and the rest will follow. That's the real secret to a thriving garden. Once your soil is thriving, rethink how you plant. Traditional rows of single crops are easy targets for pests. Instead, mix things up. Plant carrots next to leeks, dot lettuces among brassicas. This polyculture confuses pests and reduces damage. Companion planting takes it further. Aromatic herbs, like rosemary or marigolds, mask crop scents and deter pests. Marigolds even protect roots from nematodes. Mixing plants creates a diverse, resilient ecosystem. Different root structures improve soil, and varied flowers feed pollinators year-round. A mixed garden is less vulnerable to outbreaks and looks more natural. Diversity is your best defense. A lively garden is a healthy one, thanks to beneficial insects, nature's pest control. Ladybirds, hoverflies, and lacewings devour aphids and other pests. Attract them by planting nectar-rich flowers like fennel, dill, and parsley. Let some herbs flower to provide food for adult insects. Create habitats. Leave a log pile, some long grass, or build a bug hotel for overwintering. Don't be too tidy. Wild corners invite helpful predators. When you spot pests, look for their predators before reaching for sprays. Tolerate a few pests to feed your allies and keep the system balanced. Spraying kills both friends and foes, disrupting nature's balance. With patience, beneficial insects keep pests in check. Your garden becomes self-regulating and resilient. Trust in nature's helpers. Balance is the goal. The best pest control tool is you, your daily presence and observation. Walk your garden, check under leaves, and spot problems early. Use gentle interventions first. Physical barriers like mesh or clutches protect young plants. Trap crops like nasturtiums lure pests away from your main crops. Remove infested trap plants to the compost heap. If needed, use homemade non-toxic sprays, garlic, pepper, and soap in water. These deter pests without harming beneficial insects. Prevention is better than cure. Gentle actions build resilience. Each season your garden grows stronger and easier to manage. Gardening is a journey, not a battle. Embrace observation, patience, and gentle methods. Share your stories and watch your garden thrive. And don't forget, subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!